install the all-round neck protection, remove the inner lining. For details of disassembling the inner lining, watch the video. Remove the fleece strips of the all-round neck protection on both sides. Afterwards, the foil of the double-sided adhesive tape on the fleece strip should be removed and flush mounted with the snap-in positions on the helmet. The same applies to the second fleece strip of the all-round neck protection. Now you can install the all-round neck protection onto the helmet. First, insert the all-round neck protection into the locking on the left and right, and then at the center. Then take the fabric of the all-round neck protection and close the Velcro fastener. Now reinstall the inner lining of the helmet. Now the neck protection is properly fixed again. You can now completely close the all-round neck protection in order to grant an all-round protection. Or during conventional operations, you can fix the flaps at the rear.